We're at the Chevron Oronite Gonferrol plant in northern France, and our role in the trials is to open up our industrial facilities so the technology developers can test their technology in a real-world environment.
The main objective of piloting is to develop this robotic technology that can automatize and digitalize inspection procedures, for example here in a refinery. We have selected in the refinery different use cases with aerial robots, with ground robots and with crawlers to increase the safety of the procedures, decrease the cost, and also we can increase the quality of the information that we acquire. Last year we learned a lot. For the Aerox, which is an aerial robot with contact inspection, we saw that we were not able to acquire very precise duty inspections. This year we have proved that we have been able to meet the same type of accuracy that a human person can do it. The weather condition has not been as good as in the first trials, but also allow us to test our robots in this condition and to know what are the real limits, so we can improve them even further in the future.
Waygate are providing two robotic systems. The first one is the magnetic crawler that is part of the hybrid platform together with the drone from the partner Katec. It can easily be carried by a drone, flown to the inspection location and dropped off so it can do its job in that area. We focused a lot on the user side and the user experience, so we built a handy little remote here where the user can easily control it without much hassle.
Our robot, it's a magnetic crawler and it can adhere to internal surfaces of pressure vessels and pipes. It's able to do ultrasound thickness readings of the remaining wall thickness of the asset, as well as visual inspection using an inspection camera on board. This year we added the functionality of stitching together individual point clouds on the go while the robot is moving, localizing itself using a complete SLAM functionality, generating an internal map of the asset.
Robotnik is testing the new RV Watcher, which is a wheeled robot that can have multiple payloads. Last year we were testing the Rising robot, which is more agile. We could go over different obstacles. In this case, the wheeled robot is faster, so we can really cover larger areas. This sensor on top of the pole can take 360 images together with 3D models, so we can have a good representation of the environment. This sensor is really nice to have in this kind of mobile robot because you can capture the data while moving.
ETH Zurich is here working on the UGV, which is a ground robot for autonomous inspection that can by itself drive around the plant, read gauges and then also manipulate objects like valves. When we arrived last year, we spent about a day and a half to just get everything to work. This time we unboxed the robot and as soon as it was running, it performed most of the tasks in maybe 1 or 2 tries. The other big differences are the integration with the rest of the piloting systems like the IVP. So now everything is available in that online interface.
Quasset is in charge of the IVP, the Inspection and Visualization Portal. We support the whole inspection workflow from the planning up to the data visualization and the reporting. In the Inspection and Visualization Portal, we can integrate multiple different robots in the same place. One of the key benefits this year is the new reporting tool. The inspector can easily create and share an inspection report.
Having the ability to store this data easily in the robot and then being able to upload it is really useful in that this is really giving you an understanding of what is happening really fast.
It's great to test the system in this real-world, realistic environment with all the excellent support we had from Chevron.
We've developed a lot of interesting technologies and I think they will have a future for sure.
A big thank you to the Chevron Oronite team. Without them, we couldn't have done it, and we really owe them a debt of gratitude.